Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open WhatsApp and update the app to the latest version from your store. Check settings and confirm you have at least 200 MB free space before continuing. Sign into your WhatsApp account and enable media and microphone permissions so images and voice prompts work. Find the official Meta AI contact or bot link and add it by scanning a QR code or tapping an invite link. Confirm the bot appears in your chat list before moving to the next step. Type a clear prompt including style, subject, and colors in one sentence. Specify details like camera angle, lighting, and background to guide the AI effectively. Use measurements such as 3, 5 inches and ratios like 16:9 for framing preferences. If you have a reference image, attach it to the chat before sending the prompt. Keep each instruction concise and prioritized so the generator focuses on the most important elements first for better results. Send the prompt and wait 10 to 30 seconds for the AI to generate image options in the chat. Review all generated images and tap any image to request variations, higher resolution, or an upscale. If you need changes, send short follow-up prompts like color, crop, or mood adjustments for a new result. When satisfied, save images to your gallery and share them directly via WhatsApp or export to other apps using the standard share button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.